Sprinting to the future of law. Two peas in a pod, one real, one virtual, duplicating with digital twins. Part 3. Who would be interested in it? In the previous part of this issue, we looked at what is happening around digital twin in India. Because digital twin can be developed to represent a physical object, a work process, or a system, there are many applications of digital twin in various industries. Let's dwell into it. In the aerospace industries, digital twins can be used for aircraft design, aerodynamic performance under various conditions, and even for airport design, specifically for flow of people in terminal buildings and movement of aircrafts on taxiways and apron area. In construction and real estate industries, digital twins can be used for complex structural design, space capacity utilization, and virtual tours of properties. In automotive industry, digital twins can be used for vehicle design, driver assistance design under various conditions, and predictive maintenance of individual vehicle in a fleet. In manufacturing industry, digital twins can be used for shop floor design, predictive maintenance, and material flow simulation. In logistics industries, digital twin can be used for delivery network simulation for routing and rerouting, fleet management and maintenance, and integrated optimization of drivers and fuel costs. In utility industries, digital twins can be used for pattern of electricity usage and impact on grid, predictive circuit breaker operations to avoid brownout and blackouts, and transmission infrastructure deployment. In healthcare industries, digital twins can be used for telehealth assistant, simulated testing of drugs, and surgical procedure training. In education industry, digital twins can be used for immersive student engagement, skill training related to physical objects, and personalized learning experiences. In agriculture industry, digital twins can be used for crop decisions in massive farms, soil deterioration and enhancements, and land mapping and title management. In the retail industry, digital twins can be used for customer experience, superstore design for smoother foot traffic, and windows display to increase appeal. In the mining industries, digital twins can be used for deep shaft mine visualization, mining hazard management, and design of the movement of miners and ore. So there are many applications of digital twin in various industries. In the next part, we will look at legal, tax, and intellectual property considerations with digital twins.